Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I came up with this blue eyeshadow look. So if you like what you see and want to learn how to recreate it, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to blend it out using my Real Techniques concealer brush, and then I'm going to set it all in place using my Coty Airspun translucent powder. I apologize if my voice sounds really weird. I'm actually really sick at the moment, but this whole week I've been trying to fight off this cold and do this voiceover so I can upload this video. So please just bear with me. I'm sorry for how I sound. As my brow bone highlight, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use Primavera using my e.l.f. concealer brush and applying this as my brow bone highlight. Now going in with the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, I'm going to use my e.l.f. blending brush and apply this shade using it as my transition color. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Tapered blending brush, and I'm applying this shade above my crease but right below my transition shade, and this is going to help to properly build the gradient that I'm going for. I have no real reason as to why I chose blue other than it's my favorite color, so I figured why not just do a whole eyeshadow tutorial based on my favorite color. Now I'm taking this navy blue shade and I'm applying it directly into my crease using my Wet n Wild Fluffy Crease brush. I'm using windshield wiper motions as well as small circular motions to help disperse the color and to properly blend it out. I had no problems with this shade and it's my favorite in the palette. Now going in with my Morphe M169 brush, I'm going into the Colored Raine Lovelies palette and I'm applying Romance into my crease. I'm using this smaller brush to help deposit the color exactly where I want it to before I go back in and blend it out. This helped to further define and intensify my crease. I didn't want to use a black, I wanted to really just stick to the whole blue theme. And now I'm just doing every step in reverse to make sure that there aren't any harsh edges whatsoever. I'm now using my Artist Loft No. 2 brush and my NYX white eyeshadow base to cover up my lid. I applied some of the base to my lid and then looked up, that way it can transfer over my natural crease. That way when my eyes are open you can still see everything that's on my lid. This is a great trick for somebody that has extra eyelid space like me or somebody that has hooded eyes. Now using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I'm going back into the Colored Raine palette and I'm applying Pure all over that white base to set it. And you don't necessarily have to set this base with a white shadow. I did that because I want the silver shade from the Huda Beauty palette to look real wet and metallic. And I realized by me applying the white eyeshadow to set it first before applying that silver shade really helped me achieve it. I'm going back in with my Morphe M169 brush and Romance, and I'm buffing out the outer corner of my lid. I'm slightly overlapping it over the white shadow, and then I'm going to go right back into that white shadow and slightly overlap that. If that makes any sense, I'm just trying to help blur the lines so that there's no harshness to it and that there's like a really seamless blend. I hope that makes sense. Now I'm going in with this shade and I'm applying it using a flat brush all over where I applied the white on my lid. And as you can see, it just gave it a real wet look as if it was a liquid shadow. I just love how that came out. Now I'm going in with the NYX glitter primer, and then I'm going to follow up by using the Bulk Glitters Kiss the Sky glitter. It's such a pretty blue glitter, like one of my favorites from the company, and I own, I kid you not, probably about like 100 colors of it. Well, not this shade, but just 100 different colors from the company. You know what I mean. Be sure to go back in with your M169 brush to blend out any harsh edges in your outer corner. Now I'm going in with my Artist Loft number 0 brush, and I'm applying a little bit of romance into my crease to clean up anything, like any transfer or that I may have gotten into my crease. I just want to make sure that this look is really, you know, spot on and there aren't any mistakes whatsoever. Then I'm going to follow up by going in with my NYX Vivid Sapphire liner, and I'm going to use it to line my upper lash line. I'm not going to create a wing. I just wanted to add some more blue to this look. I'm cleaning any fallout using a makeup remover wipe before I go in with my concealer, blending it out, and then setting it in place with some more powder. Then I'm going to apply the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk directly to my waterline. And then using this shade and a Daler and Rowney number 2 brush, I'm applying this directly to my waterline so that I have that really vivid pop of blue. Now I'm just using my e.l.f. smudge brush and romance, and I'm applying that as close to my lower lash line as possible. Then I'm just going to repeat all the previous steps using all the brushes that I used for the top part of my lid on the lower part as well. That way everything is perfectly smoked out and blended. Then I'm going to coat my lashes using the Lancôme Definicils mascara, and then I'm going to apply the e.l.f. and Weylie Lash Luxe Kit, and that completes this look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell to turn on your notifications so that you're notified of my next upload. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you would wear this look or not, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.